Welcome to Sure Success, and in today's video we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter Indian Economy 1950 to 1990. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is, in which of the following type of economy are resources owned privately and the main objective behind economic activities is profit making? Options are capitalist, socialist, mixed, global, and the correct answer is capitalist. Capitalist economy is the economy in which resources are privately owned and the main objective is to earn profit. Okay, which of the following is the main objective of carrying out various economic activities? Options are profit, public welfare, competition, equality, and the correct answer is public welfare. When was the National Development Council (NDC) set up as an adjunct to the Planning Commission? Options are 1950, 1969, 1952, 1979, and the correct answer is 1952. Okay, which of the following had been responsible for the heavy burden of the deal and its interest? Options are BOP deficit, BOP surplus, equilibrium, none of this, and the correct answer is BOP deficit. That means when there is deficit in balance of payment, it is responsible for heavy burden of the deal and its interest. Okay, agriculture sector contributed %% to the GDP in 1990-91. Options are 24.6, 34.9, 40.5, 59.0. The correct answer is 34.9%. Agricultural sector contributed 34.9% to the GDP in 1990-91. Okay, what is the need to provide protection against natural calamities like floods, droughts, locusts, thunderstorms, etc.? Options are multiple cropping, green revolution, crop insurance, HYB. The correct answer is crop insurance. This is needed to provide protection against natural calamities like flood, drought, locust, thunderstorms, etc. Okay, which of the following steps promoted the growth of the economy as a whole by stimulating the development of industrial and tertiary sector? Options are independence, planning, colonial rule, green revolution. The correct answer is planning. This was the step that promoted the growth of economy as a whole. Okay, how many industries have been reserved for the public sector under Industrial Policy Resolution 1956? Options are 17, 21, 15, 2. And the correct answer is 17. 17 industries were reserved for public sector under Industrial Policy Resolution 1956. Okay, the percentage of the total population below the poverty line has dash in India since independence. Options are declined, increased, or stagnant, and the correct answer is declined. The total population below poverty line has declined in India since independence. Okay, dash is the chairman of the Planning Commission. Options are President, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. The correct answer is Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the chairman of the Planning Commission. Okay, dash economy is the framework of planning in India. Options are capitalist, socialist, global, and mixed, and the correct answer is mixed economy. Mixed economy is the framework of planning in India. Okay, hope you guys are understanding the video, and the ones who are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel as I upload new video every day series, and do watch the video till end, as the questions we are discussing in this video are very important questions for your upcoming examination. Okay, let's continue the video. Which of the following industry was not reserved for the government in Industrial Policy Resolution 1956? Options are iron and steel, transport, atomic energy, railway transport, and the correct answer is iron and steel industry. When was the Planning Commission set up in India? Options are 1952, 1950, 1964, 1975. The correct answer is 1950. In 1950, the Planning Commission was set up in India. When was Niti Aayog established? That means when did Niti Aayog came into existence? Options are 1991, 2001, 2011, 2015, and the correct answer is 2015. Niti Aayog was established in 2015. Okay, who was the chairperson of the Planning Commission of India? Options are President of India, Finance Minister of India, Prime Minister of India, Governor of RBI. The correct answer is Prime Minister of India. Okay, In the language of economics, what is good indicator of economic growth? Options are GDP, NDP, GNP, NNP, and the correct answer is GDP. In economics, good indicator of economic growth is GDP. Okay. Name the two states in which land reforms was successful. Options are Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal and Kerala. And the correct answer is West Bengal and Kerala. These were the two states in which land reform was successful. Okay. In which year industrial policy resolution was adopted? Options are 1956, 1950, 1965, 1953. And the correct answer is 1956. Industrial policy resolution was adopted in 1956. ओके, बाय दिस वी कम टू एन एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर दीजिए, और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आप तक आसानी से पहुँच पाए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।